What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty excited today because I've been wanting to showcase my dyno tuning videos. Now, I actually had 3 dyno tuning sessions. One was with Moncef at AdminTuning. The second one was a failure with a different tuner. And then my third and final tuning session, which was back at Moncef. Yeah, let's get into it. Yeah.
And I have the control arms, the front upper control arms on my GTR.
Nice.
But they make really nicely manufactured.
Alright y'all, it's time to get the retune, get this thing finished. It's about time. I'm about ready to just have my tune done on this car. Finally got my full exhaust on. Yeah boy. It's gonna sound mean.